Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful baby scraps ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today the videos. So friends, here's pebbles may look small and organic, but with a little creative they can become beautiful decoration for your home. The best things about stone decor is its natural look. It can give your home a clean, simple and stylish feeling without spending a lot of money. Take a small glass bowl or a simple tray and fill it with smooth bevel. Place a candle in the center. You can choose white cream candles for a beautiful look. The natural stone around the candles create a warm and peaceful decoration. And the lovely idea is a bevel plant pot. Take a small flower pot and cover the outside with small smooth stones. You can glue the pebbles carefully around the pot. Once finished, add your favorite indoor plant. This simple project can make an ordinary pot look unique and expensive. And viewers, friends, bevel photo frame ideas. So friends, take a wooden or simple plain frame and decorate the edges with small bevels. Use stones to different shape and size and to create a natural pattern at your favorite family picture, and you have a beautiful handmade decoration. So I hope you are enjoy my videos. So